Hi everyone, thank you for watching my channel. This is Mel. Welcome to Mel's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you my recipe for, my friend is just texting me. It says the Stafford Act went viral, Olahinaka shell. Ooh, okay. My friend are chatting about this coronavirus, and we are all ER nurses, and some of the people are freaking out, so don't freak out. Stupid media. Oh my God. Okay, this nurses, today I'm gonna share with you my recipe for salmon alfredo pasta. It's very delicious. I'm gonna list the ingredients below and the measurement, and you let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I can guarantee you it's very delicious. And let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients here. We have this 1 pound of salmon, marinated it with this. You can use any marinades, salt and pepper are fine, or Cajun, whatever you have at home. A 1/4 cup of this butter. You can use regular butter. I have the garlic parmesan butter, so I'm gonna utilize that today. Half a cup of green peas, finely chopped parsley, half a cup of chopped white onion, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 cup of parmesan. These will include for our pasta, and 1 cup of heavy cream. I'm proudly gonna show you the harvest of my garden. Cherry tomatoes, I'm gonna use that today. This asparagus is just for me to use it with it later on. And then I have this pasta. You can use any pasta, spaghetti pasta, penne pasta, linguine, and I have this pasta today, so I'm gonna use it. It's 250 grams, so let's get cooking. I have boiling water here. We're gonna add olive oil and a tablespoon of salt. And then we're gonna add our pasta there. Okay, we're gonna try. It's been 14 minutes with this pasta. This is a little bit thicker pasta, so a little bit longer. Let's pinch it if it's soft enough. All right, perfect. Okay, turn the heat off. I'll put a tablespoon of olive oil just to brown the salmon. I don't like pale salmon on my pasta, so it has a little juice in it. I put the salmon, if you notice, I put the salmon face down first. It's because when the salmon is raw, it's flimsy. So all the meat hits the pan, and that will brown it evenly. And so once that's a little bit cooked, it will get stiff, and you can't, when you flip it, some part of the salmon are not gonna get brown. So I'm doing that. That's part of my trick to get all salmon brown. All right, I covered the salmon for a few minutes. Let's try to flip it. Perfect. Let it brown for we're gonna flip it to the side because I want this side to also brown. Just be gentle with them because they can break, especially the organic salmon. It's very fragile. Okay, flip it to the other side. Don't overcook your salmon, but make sure you thoroughly cook it as well. Oh, that breaks off. That's why I like to do 2 thongs. 1 more minute there. Okay, we'll check our salmon. I like the back part where the skin was too.
1 moment.
That's my Alexa answering me. I did not talk to you, Alexa. Okay, our salmon is ready. We're going to remove it out of the pan and transfer it to the plate. Okay, here's the salmon, ready for topping. Okay, in this clean pan, I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil just to brown this white onion. Add the garlic. And let it slightly brown. Medium heat. We can add this butter. Smells so good already. We're gonna have buttery pasta. As you can see, my butter has cilantro in it already. So if you use regular butter, you add a little bit more cilantro in there. We'll let that simmer for a little bit. And add black pepper, ground black pepper. That's a crushed black pepper, and I like to add about 1/4 teaspoon of regular black pepper. I'm gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of chicken broth, chicken stock, just 1/2 teaspoon there. And paprika. About 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. I like a little bit of color. Salt to taste. The onion and the garlic are already infusing into the butter, and it smells so good. It almost smells like scampi. And add the rest of the butter. I just used that much. I think it's already buttery. So we're just gonna add that last one there. Okay. So now we're gonna add our Parmesan cheese in there, a little bit, and then add the heavy cream. Okay, the heavy cream, it's starting to boil, so just keep stirring. So add the Parmesan cheese and leave a little bit for your pasta. Now it's thick. We saved some of the Alfredo sauce off, and we put it aside in this little bowl. I'm gonna add my color. Turn it down a little bit to low heat, and then add your pasta. The reason why I didn't wash my pasta after it was cooked, it's because it's gonna get back in here. This serving is about for 4 people. Because I don't want to waste them. All right, mix it again. Now turn the heat off. All you have to do now is mix them. And then add your parsley. Okay, so here's our pasta. It's already set. So the little sauce that we saved, we're gonna sprinkle it on it. There. As much you can put in there. You can put a lot if you want. And then sprinkle parmesan. You can add a little bit of parsley, or you have enough parsley. And there's your Alfredo pasta with salmon. Here's the salmon Alfredo. Let's try. It's very good. Pasta. Alfredo pasta. Cherry tomato. Because of the butter and the chicken stock, I mean not stock, powder, it has a scampi taste to it. So you guys try this recipe. You're Asian, you're American, it doesn't matter. This is gonna be good. The boiling water for my asparagus behind me. I need to cook my asparagus because later on, for the leftover, I'm gonna cook the asparagus. It's very delicious. You can see the vein on my neck. I like this part of the salmon. I wish you're here to join with me. Every time I have good food like this, oh, I'm spitting my food. I think about my friends and my family joining with me. So, here's your bite, family and friends. Big bite. So, everyone,
Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you like it. If you like my recipe, please subscribe and share and comment below. Thank you. You all have a good day and be safe every day.